We have all been asked to stay in our homes in order to stop the spread. And many of us are working from home, but some are just not able to do that. The government is working on getting money to people who've been affected through unemployment and stimulus checks. But what do we do about our bills in the meantime? Hi, I'm Caitlin Davis with Weichert Realtors, the Andrews Group. We read and we hear the headlines that say things like no foreclosures, no mortgage payment for 3 months, no evictions. But is it really that simple? Now, I'm not a lawyer, a CPA, or a collections representative, so always check with them on your specific situation. However, I do want to give you some information to help you make good decisions in this time of uncertainty. Many lenders right now are using a tool called Forbearance if you've been affected by COVID-19. So let's do the math. Let's say I bought a house 2 years ago and my mortgage payment is $2,500 a month. I've been temporarily laid off due to the pandemic, and I'm hearing all the news talking about not having to pay my mortgage payment. So I go ahead and I call my mortgage servicer and I ask for help. They approve a forbearance and tell me that I do not have to pay for the next 3 months. So April, May, and June, I do not have to pay $2,500 each month. I go back to work, say June 1st, and then on July 1st, my mortgage statement comes and now my mortgage payment says $10,000. That's $2,500 for each of the missed 3 months along with the current month's payment. I didn't read the fine print that said that my mortgage payment would be delayed until the next payment due date. At that point, I may be able to call the servicer and they will maybe spread that $7,500 over 12 months, which would be an additional $625 on top of the $2,500 payment. So the new mortgage payment for 12 months would be $3,125. Refinancing may not be an option because the loan is not paid current on the mortgage payments. This pandemic does not wipe away your debt or your payments. Most credit card companies, banks, and mortgage lenders are trying to help people get through this time. But remember that payments are still due. So in working with your creditors, ask when the payment is due and how will the missing payments be spread out over the loan. Make sure that you understand the plan for making up the payments and that you feel confident in your ability to do so. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. I'm Caitlin Davis, Heart, Brains, and Courage, guiding you home. Stay safe, Nashville.